What it do? This ain't the Snoop Dogg double G, but I think y'all knew that.
Y'all heard this mess. It don't compare to the original Sonic 3 tracks. But don't worry, the Snoop Dogg double jizzle got you. I'm gonna help you get the Michael Jackson tracks back in your Sonic Origins copy. And let's roll. First, y'all need a copy of Sonic Origins. Y'all know that Sonic was first voiced by my man, Jalil or Cal White. Your pimps, click on that link in the description and download that sensitive document. But it's all good. See ya, one throw a pimp in that pen. Make sure you got that WinRAR 7 zipped up in them zip files. Extract the contents of this zip. Open Sonic Origins world like this if you have the Steam version. I should buy Valve and rename it Smoke. Got a comment? Click on Sonic Origins. Do it quick like, not like this fool who don't know what to do with his dumb ass self. Click roll. Click that sound folder. See them files, take them out, back them up like that ass. Drag and dress up the new files into the sound folder, and that's what it do. Y'all can enjoy Sonic 3 and Knuckles in Origins, the way a real PM's supposed to. Oh yeah, listen to that, 94. And if y'all wanna see more of this like this, I don't know why you would, but subscribe to my homie, Viper, me home, cause he a fucking dumbass. And if y'all do, I'll shout your name out. Shout out to J, K, and as far as me, type respect to the real, PM in the comments. Maybe I get that full Viper to make a more with my tone.